Okay. Chef, today I'm gonna show you how to make fresh orange juice
Okay.
from the fresh orange.
Okay,
So
okay.
first you need to take the fresh orange.
Okay.
Check that one quality of the orange.
Okay.
So that orange I took, it's a very fresh and it's very nice.
Yeah.
So I already
It's looking
cut
very
some-
fresh.
Cut some orange, so that I'll show you one more. So you need to make 2 slices.
Okay.
Then all the slice I have the fresh juicer.
Yeah.
So that when I can make the fresh orange juice. So
Okay.
first you need to turn on the machine.
Okay.
The machine is on. So see this slice of the half of the orange.
Okay.
So this is the juicer. So you need to press it here.
Amar.
So that to make a 1 glass juice.
Okay.
So all this orange, we squeeze it. So now I will show you
Okay.
the fresh orange juice.
Okay.
With the strainer,
Yeah.
we use a strainer because it's might be some seeds. So this is the fresh orange juice, so that you can have.
Thank you, Sariful.
Wow, very nice. It's a freshly orange juice,
Okay.
freshly squeezed.
Okay.
It's
Thank
very
you.
Nice. Thank you, chef.